Hi, this is Joel Persinger. I'm the Gun Guy. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I really deeply appreciate it. Listen, before I go on with the other videos that we need to make and get up for you in the next couple days, I wanted to at least let you know that the California Department of Justice has apparently released some new regulations, a new version of regulations, if you want to call it that, to the California Office of Administrative Law. And that's the process. They have to release them first to the OAL, and then they're available for public comment, hopefully, and then if they are actually passed into law and become law, then they travel from there and they end up published, and they're the laws we have to follow. Now, the last time DOJ did this, they tried to sneak it through the process without public comment. And that didn't go too well. And the reason why they tried to do that is they were actually inventing laws that had not been passed by the legislature or signed by the governor. Those were bad enough as it was, but DOJ was actually creating its own laws, and that didn't fly, so they had to withdraw those regulations in February of this year, and they were supposed to resubmit new regulations quite some time ago. They're very, very late, and it isn't there. I mean, there's still a registration process that needs to be built for assault weapons and that kind of stuff. So now, apparently, they've now released their new regulations to OAL. There is no public copy available that I could find. Apparently, nobody else can find one either, but we're all keeping an eye on it. And as soon as there's more information, rest assured I will produce a video about it. Now, I want to urge you, if you haven't already done so, to like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter, because that's probably where you're going to see the information first. Sometimes this stuff happens and there isn't time to produce a video on it, so I make sure that information hits Facebook and hits Twitter the moment we find out about it. You'll find that every morning we're posting news about firearms and news about firearms laws and those kind of things on Facebook and Twitter. So if you haven't already checked that out, I urge you to do so. That's where you're going to see the information first. And then when there's enough information to produce a video, I'll go ahead and do that. Also, sometimes these things can be very detailed, and unfortunately on YouTube, the attention span on YouTube is fairly short. So, you know, anything over about 5 or 6 minutes or 8 minutes or something, and people tune out. So we'll be doing as much detail as we can on YouTube, but then we'll also produce even more detail on the Gun Guy TV audio podcast, which you'll find on Patreon. So if you haven't already checked us on Patreon, please do that. We ask you to support us there if you'd like. There's custom comment and premium comment for our premium Patreon members, one of which is the Gun Guy TV audio podcast that comes out on the 5th and the 20th. So it's almost the 20th, so there's another one coming out here in a few days. We'll have more information there for you as well. Rest assured, we're watching it. I will let you know as soon as we have more information. In the meantime, keep looking for more videos here on Gun Guy TV. The next one's going to be on this Arisaka Type 99. I took it out and shot it. And we also have a video coming up in a couple of days on Franklin Armory's new 17 Winchester Super Mag AR-15, which is available in California as well as across the country. Really great rifle and super accurate. I enjoyed shooting it. We'll have that video up for you here in a couple of days as well. In the meantime, stay tuned and be safe.